Hello YouTube, it's another unboxing. It's the lady extraordinaire. Hi. So yes, this one is a classic apparently. I've never tried it before, but I just had to have it. So let's unbox this. It's quite heavy. It's a quite heavy bottle. It's 100 ml of the classic Guerlain Habit Rouge Eau de Toilette, 100 ml. Made in France. I don't know if you can see, but it's made in France. Batch code, I cannot really see it, but it's indented right there. So let's unbox this. I cannot smell it yet, but it's coming. There it is. Here it is. Habit Rouge, or Habit Rouge. I'd rather say Habit Rouge because the H is supposed to be silent, right? Eau de Toilette Guerlain, 100 ml. Beautiful bottle, like really gorgeous bottle. But the newer bottles are like square, short, like quite generic, might I say. But this bottle is quite cute. It's quite stylish, methinks. The stopper feels very light, like it's made of wood. Maybe it is. If it is, good on them. Now let's try the juice or the sprayer, because this is the first time I'm ever gonna try this parfum. I've heard so much about it. I love old parfums, you know, the Chalimars, the Pour Monsieur, Chanel number 5s. And this one is supposed to be right up there, a classic scent from the 60s. Now let's see. Oh, yes, it's good. It's right up my alley. It's very citrusy, very herbal. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna have fun with this one. It's very dry though. It's very dry. Whew, I hope the dry down is a little bit softer, rounder, or sweeter. Right now it's very sour, very dry. Ooh, it's almost like smelling paper. But it's getting there. Oh, Yes, we're gonna try this one out and we're gonna see where it gets us. Guerlain Habit Rouge Eau de Toilette. Thanks for watching. Ciao.